that you're creating a legacy. Leave behind something of value. And that will pay your bills, by the way. Because if you hustle and you perform and you deliver, you're going to get the bills paid. But if you put your heart into it, you make your mark on the world, you're going to build wealth. Focus not on what you do, but how you do it, why you do it, and for whom you do it for. Now I'm going to ask you a question, and this question was asked of me recently.
This chick has been
If your life ends tomorrow,
psychiatric therapy.
if your life ends tomorrow, will your life matter?
What's going on, boys and girls? Grant Cardone behind the scenes, waiting to go up and rock this.
I know it's tough.
Rock them,
I sat there.
so deep.
I actually got emotional about it.
Oh yeah, and you wish you were there, dude. I guarantee
See,
it's
we
gonna
stop
be
evolving,
fucking
we
so
stop
solid, so
moving, we
unbelievable,
stop
so
learning, we
incredible.
stop growing. We're going to hit stagnation. And stagnation leads to decay. That's the only way to go from there. So if you no longer have that fire, if you've lost your passion, you've lost your
Hope you guys are doing great today.
or if you burn out, you're done.
Chick's talking about burnout.
If you're growing indifferent,
She's talking about balance.
we just need to
She's saying
challenge
that you can't have
Seek to
more than
learn
one
new things.
personality. You're stuck
Seek
with the personality you
inspiration or
have.
new
This is what's wrong with the world,
surround
folks.
yourself with people that are equal
I'm just
or
telling you.
better, smarter than
I can't believe I'm following her because my message is going to conflict so much.
thoughts a day.
My message is going to conflict so much with what she's telling the audience. It's unbelievable. It's like, fuck, dude. Balance, therapy, love your job. Hey, what about fucking being great, dude? What about doing whatever it takes? What about whatever it takes? What about when's the money coming, man? When we going to talk about some money?
Grant's here to rock
Yeah,
all the world.
I gotta undo some of what she's telling them. These people, she's talking about. No offense, but I need to take the stage away from her before she caves any more people in. I love her. She's awesome. I can't wait to meet her. I'd love to have a drink with her. But you guys, hey, stay away from the therapist, folks, okay? Stay tuned. I'll be going live in a little bit. In about 15 minutes, I'm going to rock this place, okay? You can find it at Grant Cardone Fan on Facebook. That's where I'm going to shoot it from. Do not miss this. It will be legendary. Hope you guys are great.